your will. They're all afraid of you. Jump much higher, climb as high as you can flee. You have the soul of a great guy, so sad someday you'll say goodbye. No cage can keep you there for much time, as you know. No cage is good enough for you. No one can make you do anything against your will.